It's not that my mailman hates me, he just hates carrying everything is what it is. But not as much as I hate tape, that's for sure. What's really going on, Pez collecting fans? Josh the Pez guy here on the PEZBook channel. Do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, set that there anywhere. All right. Incredible Hulk and Chicken Egg. So Incredible Hulk is a dispenser that was made in Hong Kong. You will only see Incredible Hulk on the Made in Hong Kong no feet, but every once in a while you'll see a footed one. Hey, how you doing, Light Green Hulk? But yes, rule of thumb on this dark green stem, 3.9 Hong Kong. Now there is a footed stem that this dispenser comes on. Very, very hard to find. However, the light green one, not too difficult to find, but the dark green one footed, very, very difficult to find. Two versions of the Incredible Hulk. One will have a metal head spring inside. This one here actually has the plastic leaf spring. Pretty tight spring. So on this side of his head in the hair, not sure if you can make that out, but that is where the copyright is. Right there in the side of his hair. Now there is a version where the hair is smooth in this area instead of having the copyright. That version will also have a painted face. It's very, very extremely difficult dispenser to find. Only seen a picture of one, never seen one. Now let's check out our Chicken Egg. Now Chicken Egg comes in a few different versions. Like this one here is the plastic hinge. They also have a metal pin hinge. This one here has a plastic spring. They also have a metal spring. So this dispenser has gone across 3 generations of springs. I think I have problems with red. Yellow really doesn't like to show up on these. Don't know why. But this one here is an Austria stem, 3.9. Tiny, tiny IMC 8 up here in the corner. So it was made at the number 8 factory. Chicken Egg, he here has a hat. The real early version, he has actual holes in his eyes and hair there instead of a hat. Yeah. Pretty cool set. Now, I took a chance. I went on eBay and I bought these dispensers. They look pretty good. But anytime you're buying from somewhere and you don't get to see something, you are taking a chance. So please take that into consideration. But yeah, 2 good dispensers. Extremely tall compared to Hulk. You figure Hulk would be bigger. Huh. So until next time.